Should I open this first?
Oh yeah.
It is expensive. I mean, it'll be $10 in Korea, but because of the delivery fee coming to New Zealand, actually, that's why it's expensive. Yeah, I know how much it is. Actually, not $10, $15.
Oh.
Still expensive, eh? $15.
CD.
Yeah, it has CD in it.
Oh, small. Oh.
Yeah. Wait, before I have,
Oh.
what I have is
Fundy.
no, I can't. I'm gonna
Put some. And you ritual. What do we do? That's a ritual. Larry.
I mean, other people, they have friends that's doing it together. I need my zero-based friend. I need my zeros friend. Oh, I can kind of. I see Ricky. Ricky.
Ricky. Okay.
Yeah, right, Ricky. Yeah. I'll see the postcard first. See if I can see. Oh, see, this is how. Oh. That's you. So I'm having the oldest member, so keep keeping the oldest member. Oh, there's something there.
Oh.
They came in the age. See, he's the oldest.
Oh.
He's the oldest, and he's the second. He's the third. Oh, very good. I wanted this one as well.
We manifested.
At least it came in whatever way it is.
Oh.
This is the lyrics. It's really cute. I like this one. See, slam dunk version.
Oh.
I like the slam dunk version. So cute, and they're all lyrics over here.
Oh. CD. Very nice.
Is this the card? No, this is a sticker.
Oh.
Is this the sticker?
Never say anything.
Yeah, never say never. That's the album's name. Hey, Ricky. I just saw the. So this is Ricky, right? Ricky.
Oh.
Yeah, because they have the. I saw the name. That's why.
And then.
No, this is not Hanbi. I saw the sign. 1, 2, 3. See,
it?
I'm picking Jiyoon a lot now. Jiyoon. It's okay. It came in the postcard. It came bigger. Thank you. No. I feel so embarrassed. Just gonna open this ordinary version. It's like a you know the video, eh? It's the shape of the video. This is a video machine, and you put the video in it. I'll show you how it looks like later.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I want to see the photo book first. I always see the photo card last because I know that that's the main thing. Oh yeah, it looks.
That's so cool.
Isn't it? I like the design. Yeah, I like the design. Do you see these?
2 CDs. Oh.
Yeah, they have a ring.
Oh.
It's like a little ring there. I'm just gonna put it on. That's what they did. I mean, that's all the other fans, what other zeros were doing.
Oh.
Okay, let's see the photo. I'll show. Yeah, it looks like a utility check. It looks like the first album. That's Hanbi. Hanbi. Keep going, Hanbi. That's Jill. How? And then that's Matthew.
He's a funny.
Yeah, he's the funny. He's the funny guy. He's like a main singer. Yeah, I know. And then Ricky. He's Chinese. You know, House Chinese as well. And they've gone. He's the same age as you. Yeah. And then we're our youngest, Eugene. Yeah, and oh cute. It really looks like the first album. Yeah, the shade version. I'll bring the shade version next time. It looks really the same. You know, like in the video, when it was a long time ago, when you like record it and you don't know what it is, that's why they have the name tag to see what it is. So they put it like this. They usually put it like this so you can know what you actually recorded. Yeah. The photos. There's Hanbin there. There's Gibbon. That's Eugene. The stickers. This 1, 2, 3. Matthew. Matthew comes to me very well. Yeah. I think this is ZEROBASEONE. Yeah, all the members. Good photos.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh.
Let's
Okay.
see. If there's 3, there should be 1. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
How comes along? How? Let's 2, 3. Eugene? Yeah, Eugene comes to me as well. 1, 2, 3. Give in. And the icon version. Icon version. Just do some tapping.
What did it really?
Isn't it so cute? Eh?
Oh, cute.
That's cute. I know, it is cute. It's my lucky charm. Everyone does it, not just me.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, it's actually a big box. Oh, right. Sure. That's the photo card. I'm gonna look later. Oh, cute! Iconic! So they have like random 2 stickers.
Oh, yeah.
It's really random as well. Random 2
Ooh.
stickers.
Okay. Oh.
This one, I'll tell you when I get my second album. So when you put these 2 together, it makes heart.
Oh.
Yeah,
that's
there's
cute.
only one.
That's
Yeah.
the second album.
Yeah, I'm giving you a second album. I'm giving you a second album. No, just the second one. I just ordered one more.
Wow.
I thought about it. Iconic. I love group photos.
Oh, there he is.
Yay!
There he
Good
is.
thing about my bias is a leader. Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
he's first.
He's first. Yeah, he's always first. How one's so long. He wrote in Chinese and Korean. That's why.
Oh.
Wow. That's a good idea. Yeah. Oh, CD.
Oh.
These are very small.
Oh.
One is a group photo.
Individual.
Yeah, that's random as well. Oh, this is the group one. Group poster.
Oh, that was nice. That's
Mm,
nice.
mm. Could it be? Could it be? Oh, Eugene. Eugene comes to me a lot as well. If he doesn't come, I'm just gonna kidnap from the poker marker. Christmas.
Yes. Oh, the signature.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh, today.
Oh.
Today. Oh, that's Matthew. I know Matthew signs so well. He's been coming to me all this one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Matthew.
Oh.
Matthew comes to me a lot. 1, 2, 3. Last one. How? Oh my god, my bias.